Do you know how much I love Termux and how many hours I spend on it every day? The answer is a lot. While working with Termux, sometimes we quickly need certain tools and we waste so much of our time finding those tools. To solve this issue, I have created a tool named Termux Helper that will give you links to all the tools in the categories and you will be able to install any tool in Termux under 1 minute. So hey, what's up guys, it's me Saad Maksud and today we will install Termux Helper tool in our Termux. But what is Termux Helper? So while working with Termux, I constantly find myself in need of specific types of tools, and to find the installation commands of these tools, I need to Google about the tool. Then after multiple clicks on random pop-up ad pushing fishy websites, I finally find the tool, and after I install it, it doesn't even work. So to solve this issue, I made this site learntermux.tech and posted every good working tool that a pro Termux user would need. But since it feels kind of hectic to close Termux, then open Chrome and search learntermux.tech, and on the website search for the tool. This process seems kind of time consuming to me, so I created the tool Termux Helper, which is like a cheat menu for Termux. Every time whenever you need any tool, you just have to type learn and you will have a list of categories. Just select the right category and the tool will open Chrome and you will have commands for your tool in under 10 seconds. Now just read the post or just copy paste the commands and you are done. And yeah, I could have created those tools that directly install tools in Termux, but we all know how bad these tools are. We don't even know what we are installing, so I prefer this method where you can read what you are installing. So now you know what Termux Helper is. Let's install it in our Termux. Firstly, open any browser and just search for Termux Helper. And just click on the learntermux.tech website post. So yeah, this one. Just scroll a bit. You can read the post too. And here you will see install Termux Helper in Termux. You just have to copy this entire command. Copy. Go back, open Termux. Let me zoom a little bit. Yes, and paste. Press enter. The installation won't take more than few seconds. So after the installation is done, you will see Termux Helper installed. Just press Ctrl D and the Termux will close. Click on the Termux app again and here you will see this new line which says type learn to open Termux Helper. So this means your Termux Helper is installed perfectly. Now using this tool is straightforward. Just type learn no matter which directory you are in and press enter. And as soon as you do that, you will see this cheat menu. Select any category that you like. For example, I wanna check out this cool scripts option. So I'm gonna type 10, press enter, and it will take me to learntermux.tech cool script section. And now I can select any post I want and just read it and install the tool by copy pasting the commands. Termux Helper also have this option of custom search. So just type 21, press enter. Now just type any tool name you want. For example, let's type Termux Games, press enter. And it will take me to Termux game post. It also have a proper update option, so keep updating your Termux Helper tool cause me and the Termux community will add new features in the future. You can also uninstall the tool by selecting 23rd option. So this was a brief intro of Termux Helper tool. If you wanna learn more in depth about Termux, then you should check out my 15-day Termux Beginner Ethical Hacking course where I have taught about Termux from basic to advanced and you are gonna learn a lot about Termux. So link is in the description, check it out. So that is it for this video. If you wanna learn about Termux 5 hidden aesthetic packages, then watch the video that is getting suggested on the right side. And if you wanna see the TBEHC course intro, then check out the video on the left side of the screen. Stay ethical and I will see you in these two videos.